Good afternoon. You are welcomed by Citadel Watch Company Audemars Piguet Classic Extra Flat Automatic Ref 5273 Cal. K2120 Steel is an exquisite men's watch from the prestigious Swiss brand Audemars Piguet. This watch is a true work of watchmaking art, with a rich history and unique characteristics. The material of the watch case is high-quality steel, which gives it a sleek and durable look. The case size is 34.5 mm, making it quite compact and suitable for a variety of events and everyday use. The Audemars Piguet watch is equipped with a durable sapphire crystal that provides reliable protection to the dial from scratches and damage. The strap is made of unique materials, including elephant and alligator leather, which gives them a luxurious look and uniqueness. The movement of the watch is the Cal. K2120 self-winding mechanical movement, which is the thinnest movement in the world with a thickness of only 1.33 mm. This technical marvel provides accurate and reliable time display with a power reserve of up to 34 hours. The Audemars Piguet Classic Extra Flat Automatic Ref 5273 Cal. K2120 steel watch has no visible damage and is in excellent condition. It is exclusive and unique as the case back is custom-made transparent. These watches can be considered true works of art and collector's items for connoisseurs of haute horlogerie. Have a good shopping experience and a great day.